Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a review on this wig, you guys. This is a 20-inch kinky straight wear and go glueless wig, and it has the M cap and 9x6 bleached knots, y'all. HD lace, everything. Okay, so you're gonna see how this wig comes straight out of the box and how we got from there to here. So if you want to see the full review on this video, please keep watching. So we're gonna start off with a bald head cap. Y'all already know what it is. This is a review on ISEE hair. Y'all know I've worked with them before in the past and I love their products. I have purchased on my own from them, from their website, from TikTok shop, and from Amazon, their Amazon shop, and all of the quality has always been the same. If anybody asks me like what is your favorite hair brand, ISEE hair is that's always it's always been my favorite before I even started doing sponsorships with them. So thank you ISEE hair for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get into it. All of their packaging is always like this nice pink. You get a pink bag, which I just showed you guys, and you get this box with the silver on the side. Let me turn my ringer off, girl, because listen, my phone is blowing up this morning. All right, back to the video. So ISEE hair again. Today we're going to be reviewing, let me show you the packaging, baby. Let's get into it. Always comes with a seal like this. And today we got another 20-inch. Well, this is my first 20-inch from them. But this is a curly wig. Oh, girl, what we got? Yaki straight? I don't remember. Stretch length. Kinky straight. We got a kinky straight wig. Girl, I don't even know what I be ordering. I just know, like, girl, I just be like, send me a wig, because I know whatever you send me is going to be good. How confident I am in ISEE hair. Alright, so here is the wig, and here is the texture of it. The kinky straight. It is super pretty. So here is the lace, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. The construction of the wig on the inside. You do get removable combs on the side here. You get one in the back here. Again, it is removable there, which I always keep this one in because I like it. It gives me more security. And then this one is the 9x6 pre-cut HD lace, and it does have many bleached knots already, so the work is already done for you. And because this is a wear and go, we're gonna test that out today with a true wear and go. It does come with this strap here. The construction of ISEE hair is always super nice. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on and see what it looks like just straight out the box. Always put it on just like this at the bottom, and then you just flip it on over. And then I always secure the back. Look at that. This is straight out of the box. I haven't even done anything to the lace yet. That just looks phenomenal. And just so you guys do know, I do have a really big head, and all of ISEE hair has always fit my hair perfectly. Fit my head perfectly. Because this is kinky straight, you could, of course, flat iron it, curl it, but I honestly like the texture to show through. It gives a more natural look, like this is literally my hair just blown out. We love that. And the best part, she is giving the full 20 inches through and through all the way to the ends. Here's how the back looks. Super duper full. Child, I'm about to act up. I'm about to act bad in this wig, okay? Because I want to give you guys the full all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. But first, before I do that, let me go ahead and just take this off really quickly. Because the wig looks good by itself, but we definitely wanted to match. That's what I like about ISEE hair, is that they give it fits everybody. Because if you don't want the straps, if you don't want the combs, if you want light lace, if you want dark lace, like it can literally fit anybody, all of their wigs. But I'm going to go ahead and we are going to put some foundation on this because I'm out of the tint spray. I'm going to be taking some foundation and just using a little makeup brush, and then I'm going to just put it on the lace like that. This just gives it a darker color to match my complexion a little bit more, as you can see there. This is not needed, but this is wanted. That's the best thing about ISEE hair, that it can fit anybody. The main part that I focus on is right here where the lace is gonna be on my forehead, because that's what you want to match. And from here, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. And then, child, I'm back, girl. I'm back with makeup on, child. Let's go ahead and get ready and pop her back on. This is how the lace looks after I have the foundation on it. And we're gonna just hop right into it, okay? I didn't do anything else to it because I wanted to do it with you guys. I had to adjust the back first. And then sometimes it'll do this, and that is totally normal. Let me get my mirror. Sometimes it'll do this, and it's totally normal. All you have to do is just adjust it, y'all. Just adjust it. That's what I told y'all. These, oof. And it fits my head so well. Listen. Listen, Linda. Baby, what is the, what? ISEE always comes through. Do I own another kinky one? I'm trying to think if I own a kinky straight wig. Oh, and look at the texture. Look at the texture. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is, I kind of wanna, I mean, you really don't have to do nothing to it. Like, this is literally like wear and go. So it's just, I can't get over the texture of it. This literally looks like, well, it's kinky straight, but I wonder if it'll hold a curl, if I can curl this. I want to give her the fair shot that she deserves, because I feel like she's so good on her own, but there's more to her. So what I'm going to do is take this wand curler, and we're going to curl her up, put some wand curls in her, style her really quickly, and then we're going to get dressed, because I just still have on my pajamas. Is this locked? Yes. Want to get dressed. I love this little wand curler. You can change out the barrels. I like this one. And then it's even, ooh, you know what I could do? Or what I could have done was use the crimping iron and crimped her too. But it comes with these other two sizes as well, and an even fatter one. But I think I'm gonna use the one that I have, and just kind of wand curl her a little bit, just to give her some, like, I don't need no scissors or anything to it. It's just, I wish y'all could see it. Like, I need y'all to see how pretty she is. I think I might take her with me on vacation in a couple of weeks. So if y'all see her and y'all be in my comments asking me, ooh girl, where's that wig from? I'm gonna direct y'all back to this video right here, okay? This is where you're gonna find it. This is where you're gonna find all the details of her. But she looks good. Let me stop rambling and let's go ahead and curl her. We are done, honey child. Like, y'all, it looks, she's your queen to be. It's definitely giving queen vibes, y'all. I need to like put this down a little bit, because I need to see how to get into the texture. Like, ISEE hair never misses. Never ever misses. The lace, like, what lace? Where? I'm gonna always, and then, ooh, y'all know I'll be the one to do these little things, like where they do this. Look at this. Completely glueless. Like, completely take it off. It looks amazing. The quality of this hair, the thickness of this hair, just everything looks good. Thank you again to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video. There'll be a coupon code and all of the inches and the link to this direct wig down below. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll check you guys out in my next video. Mwah.